Alright, so today I'm going to be making a matcha green tea frappuccino. Basically you have matcha green tea. This one I buy in particularly from Costco. It comes in a tin, so the bag actually comes inside of that tin. It's $20 and it's quite a bit of matcha, so I'll show you. This is what it looks like in the inside. So it's really delicious. If you've ever had matcha smoothies before, you'll know that they're really tasty and they're good for you to increase metabolism. I also have an ice tray with a little bit of ice, as well as some almond milk. You can use coconut milk as well. A stevia packet, so that's how I use it. I find it easier because I can take it with me, but you can use whatever sweetener you'd like, and vanilla extract. So this is how it comes out. It was pretty thick, so it is very much like a booster juice type of consistency, which I love. I find with the one packet of stevia, it is not very sweet. I prefer a little more bitter, but I mean, anybody else, you can use a few packets or more sweetener until it tastes good for you. So that's it. Matcha Frappucino.